Hey everyone, it's Ren here with Perfect Aire. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about our Ultrasonic tabletop cool mist humidifier. Now let's dive into some of the unique features of this humidifier. This humidifier includes an active carbon filter to remove any air pollutants for cleaner, healthier indoor air quality. And this filter is also permanent, which is awesome because you never need to worry about changing it out. With a tank capacity of 1.2 gallons of water,
it can run up to 24 hours at a time.
This humidifier is ideal for medium-sized rooms such as nurseries, bedrooms, home offices, and more. The adjustable humidity controls right here make it so easy to change the level and output of mist completely based on your comfort and liking. All you want to do is turn the knob clockwise and you're going to enjoy more refreshing, relaxing mist. The humidifier also has whisper quiet operation, making the unit completely noise-free. This makes it such a great option to have in a child's room at night for a relaxing night's sleep. This humidifier is also super easy to set up, you guys. Just fill the tank with water, secure it back onto the base, and now you're ready to enjoy refreshing cool air. Finally, to get the longest life out of your humidifier and keep it working in top condition, I really recommend that you clean your unit out weekly. I like using a mixture of water and vinegar, and make sure when you're using it to keep it on a flat, water-resistant surface. Remember that we can't always control the air quality outside of our homes, but we can control the air quality inside of our homes with our Ultrasonic Cool Mist Tabletop Humidifier. You can find this product on major online retailers like Amazon and Wayfair, and to learn more about this product and other great products, visit us at perfectaire.us. My name is Ren. Thank you so much for watching.